For a developed India, a developed Bihar. With this resolve, the continuous journey of development for the progress of Bihar and its people is moving forward steadily. The government is inaugurating and laying the foundation stone of development projects worth nearly 13,200 crore rupees from the sacred land of Bodh Gaya. Several major projects related to energy, health, voice communication, roads, water supply, and railways will bring significant changes to the lives of millions of people in Bihar. In Bihar's Buxar district, the first 660 megawatts unit of the 1,320 megawatts Buxar thermal power project of SJVN, built at an estimated cost of around 6,900 crore rupees, is being inaugurated. This project will also boost employment opportunities, industrial development, and overall infrastructure growth in the region. The visionary approach of the Government of India is bringing major improvements in services accessible to common citizens. In this direction, the establishment of the Homi Bhabha Cancer Hospital and Research Center in Muzaffarpur has brought a new ray of hope for patients in Bihar and the entire eastern region of India. These positive steps will provide crucial support to millions of poor and middle-class families across Bihar and the nation. Along with this, Prime Minister Modi will hand over houses to about 16,000 beneficiaries in Bihar under the Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana. Under this housing scheme, lakhs of families have already been provided with permanent homes. In Bihar, the 8 kilometers long Ganga Bridge between Onta in Mokama and Simria in Begusrai will greatly improve road connectivity between northern districts like Supaul, Madhubani, Araria, Begusrai and southern Bihar districts like Shekhpura, Nawada and Lakhisrai. Earlier, due to the closure of the old Rajendra Bridge for vehicular movement, people had to travel an extra 100 kilometers. Now the same journey will be completed in just 8 kilometers, saving significant time, fuel, and reducing logistics costs. Due to one-way traffic on the Rajendra Bridge, people often got stuck in long jams. The new Ganga Bridge will bring great relief to the people. It will also strengthen local industries such as the refinery, Barauni Thermal Power Station, Barauni Sudha Dairy, fertilizer plant, and will enable easier access of local agricultural produce to larger markets. The launch of an Amrit Bharat train from Gayaji to Delhi and the introduction of the Buddha circuit train from Vaishali to Kodarma will give Bihar a new identity. These trains will enhance passenger convenience while also promoting the state's rich cultural and religious heritage globally. To provide the public with better clean water and environment, the inauguration of sewage treatment plant networks and water supply projects in several districts of Bihar. All these projects reflect the Government of India's commitment to accelerating sustainable development, strengthening infrastructure, and generating employment.